In this tutorial, I'll show you how to change the page size in Figma by resizing your frame. Start by opening your Figma file and selecting the frame you want to resize. If you don't have a frame yet, press F on your keyboard and create a new one. With the frame selected, look at the right-hand properties panel. To use a preset size, click on the frame size drop-down and choose a device, social media format, or paper size that fits your project. If you need a custom size, enter your desired dimensions in the width, W, and height H fields. You can also resize the frame manually by dragging the handles around the edges of the frame. If you want to scale all the content inside the frame at the same time, select the frame and press K to use the scale tool. Once you've adjusted the dimensions, your frame will update instantly to the new size. And that's it. You've successfully changed the page size in Figma. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.